right? Well, yeah. In this video, I am going to show you how to create something like that too. But how, why, and what? Well, these so-called immersive interactive workout videos are going mega viral. They are getting millions and millions and millions of views. One of the biggest fishes out there is this guy called Sfilms. He almost has 1 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, he is estimated to make around $7,000 to $123,000 a month. Yeah, I know. That is a wide range they are calculating there at Social Blade, but let's take the middle, and then the guy is making like $60,000 a month. Not bad, right? Well, let's get started ourselves now, shall we? The first thing we are going to do is look for suitable music. It should be a copyright-free EDM track. So, go to the YouTube audio library, for example, and look for an upbeat EDM song that is suitable for a warm-up workout. Use the search filters, or type EDM in the search bar to find the perfect music. Did you guys like my American accent? Hello? After a long search, I will pick Rate the Rizzy from the soundings. Now, next we are going to open a new project in a video editing software. This could be any video editor of your choice, and I am currently using Final Cut Pro. But, to be honest, I really need to get used to the program. I used CapCut before, and that program was amazing and super easy to use. The only downside I had with it was the paywall and the monthly subscription, and also that so many things require an internet connection. But yeah, simply open a new project and add the EDM music you downloaded in there. Now I will add some text and write. Are you ready? Now let's add a countdown like this. Now comes the part where we need to instruct the audience what they need to do, either wave, kick, or punch, and there are multiple ways of doing this. For example, Daniel uses this kind of animation, and I think it is a good advice to differentiate yourself in this aspect and come up with a new style. So, I will type wave, and now I will use the emoji hand that is having and animate it a bit. Now, I will make sure that the hand is waving on the beat. Simply do this by listening to the beat, and you can also see it on the audio wave where the beat hits. Now, we need to get creative and add the videos that make the entire video immersive. Okay, so the hand over the audience is waving. What video would fit now? Well, I went on Pexels, where we can get free videos, and looked for a wiping effect or a board that is being cleaned. Now add it to your project and make sure it is in sync with the beat. I will also add someone saying hello. Be creative here and think of a lot of fun ways to add immersive videos. Now let's do boxing. Here I added a video of someone being punched. I do not advise walking the thin line of fair use and simply generate your own content with an AI video generator of simply getting it from free websites like Pexels. And guys, this video is simply to guide you in the right direction and inspire you with new ideas on how you could create immersive workout videos and give them your own unique twist. Yes, you could simply copy and paste the successful individuals who make these immersive videos and achieve low to good results. However, I genuinely believe that if you incorporate your own unique ideas into this concept, you can surpass everyone else. I hope you understand what I mean. And guys, don't worry, the guy in the red jacket is alright and he was just tired and wanted to sleep, lol. Lastly, you could consider adding some sound effects to add some drama. I will also add this jackpot sound effect. When you are done, export your video. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own immersive, interactive workout video and get creative. Be sure to follow all the YouTube guidelines and don't steal content. Have a lot of fun. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Here is the end result. Get ready, set, go. Jackpot!